the traffic light,
Yeah.
we have got a giveaway line to
Yeah,
give
yeah.
it to car coming from your right.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Now every time when we approaching a junction, we do MSPSL. So we check our mirrors, we should it. You signal left, we should it. You slow down, we should it.
Yeah.
Why do you think we're slowing down?
In case somebody was coming from the right and I had to stop.
That's one reason. And
Yeah.
what else is a reason?
It's a bit of a tight squeeze.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's say if it's a tire squeeze.
Yeah.
Anything else you can think of?
No.
So you done mirror, signal, positioning, we slow down, and last thing is L. What's the meaning of L?
Look.
So do we supposed to stop at the giveaway line and look?
Yeah.
Or we supposed to start looking early?
Stop and look.
So was that a closed view junction or the open view junction?
I don't know because like I can see clearly from my left.
But we
It's a
don't
bit
care
hard
about
to
that.
see
But
from the
give
right.
so we give it
Yeah.
traffic coming from where?
Right.
From your right,
Yeah.
isn't it? So was it the
Yeah.
open view or the closed view?
I'd say close.
It's
No.
completely open.
Okay.
It's completely open.
Right.
As you were approaching,
Yeah.
what you must have been doing as you're approaching, start looking early.
Right.
Now tell me one thing. Whenever you're approaching the roundabout, do you normally stop and look, or do you look early on the roundabouts?
Look early.
You look early, isn't
Yeah,
it? Why are
yeah.
you looking early?
In case I don't have to stop.
There
Yeah,
you go.
yeah, yeah.
So unless it's a closed view, like this was a closed view
Okay,
roundabout, yeah?
Yeah.
So that junction was an open view.
Yeah.
Now because you stopped over there and start looking, what has happened? Anybody behind us have
Did
to
they
stop
have to
as well?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, if there is anybody.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's important that we do MSPSL for a reason. So start looking early is better for you, really. Okay.